Welcome back to Displacement Garage. My name is Carisha. Today we're unboxing the REDCAT ASCENT 32. Everything that's in your box. Owner manual. Super cute little blue truck. Your remote, battery, charger, everything. A true, ready to run. As far as packaging goes, very well packaged and very easy to remove. You get right to the action. Suspension check. Flex check. Squish check. Passenger side check. Yep, it has one. Remote check. Now we're looking at the REDCAT on this side, all your steering and everything on the other side. Now at a $79 price point for this whole setup, this is not a cheap feeling remote. We've got our charging cables, a few extra little bits and pieces for when things go off-road and start breaking. And let's check out under the hood here. Feels like a very sturdy and capable little thing. Especially at a $79 price point, I'm surprised at the quality of this. And bear with me for a second while I do some girl math on you. So this one is at $79.99. The SEX30 is at a price point of $100. So, girl math standard says I'm getting $20 off these wheels and tires. Love that. Gold on the inside, chrome lip on the outside. Injorna paint job. Tire check. Good tread pattern. Love it. Gonna be able to get some good grip while we're crawling. Additional squish check. These also have the foams inside. Extremely sturdy little setup here. Time for wheel and tire assembly. I am not very good at assembling the really small stuff. I'm way better at assembling full-scale cars. I will say, as somebody that has this issue, what I recommend is using the end of a screwdriver, assembling this and trying to line up the bolt holes the best you can. Set one bolt in there and then go ahead and adjust the rest. A lot of times it's a little bit easier for me to use that magnet feature or just use the end of a really small screwdriver just to line everything up. Stock wheel and tire removal. I'm in a chrome wheel phase right now. I used to be all about the blacked out look on everything, but I really enjoy being able to see all the spokes and all the details, so chrome's where it's at. Chrome will get you home. Once again, my little magnet trick here. Use the little magnet end and then boop. Get that little wheel nut ready to go and then put on your non-magnetic tool. Bingo, son of one a wingo. It's done. Check her out. She's got a good fitment now. Look how bright that makes the whole truck. It changes the whole look of it. Now this looks like an official full-scale pavement princess shrunk down. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Let's get to crawling.